So true, and all the love I have is so special.
Hello, Eloise! Excited ka?
I am so much excited. Overly excited.
Ay, hayag. Hello, Timonet. Dili kayo siya maklaro. Si Kesha. That's Kesha.
And this is me.
And this is me. Hi. And Kesh, asa ta mga do?
Sa Outer Banks.
Tell us something about it.
I don't know really.
We were invited by
Mr. Fairless.
Okay. Ikaw, Timonet, anong sasabi mo dahil naisama ka namin ngayon?
I'm so thankful.
Pagdating ka sa lugar ayaw na pag-thank
Mauni, si Eloise.
Ayaw ko sa sarili, wala akong nose.
Sige, si Eloise.
I am driving right now. Ay, focus akong nose.
Gusto kay close up na ako ka?
Ayaw.
Okay, we are now traveling.
And that's the car of...
And that's the car of Ed and Edie.
Their apelyido
And their apelyido is Thompson. And we are now here. I don't know where we are, pero
We're near.
we're near now. We're near the place.
Sa kayo churros yan ko. But ato lang expect cottage. Ay, kaya doon na nice.
So yun, 58 hours, good name.
Okay.
Asa ka 58 hours?
Those are the cars. The houses.
Houses. They look like Monopoly houses now.
Oy, Lord, thank you. One of those will be ours.
Thank you for this opportunity. And now we're following.
Another bridge! Oh, what a bridge!
Nalingaw si Eloy sa bridge.
I like bridges.
Hala, close up kayo, Eloy. Sorry. Sorry. Hala ka na, isa balan.
I will love you faithfully forever, all of my life. You are the
pero una tamo abot sa Mandio. Tora, mga seagulls. Hapit na mi.
Tapos mo ito tayo kapag nag-rural.
Ha? Okay po. Hugsmed. Sorry, Nugsmed.
Nugshead!
Nugshead! Sorry, Nugshead. Oh my gosh, kaganda ng mga bahay. Okay?
Sobra talaga. Pagyaw yung cash mo, madungog yung kwante, pagyaw yan. Super!
Sige lang ko niya. Ako mo i-video pag nanata dito.
Ay, dolphin tours mo na yun.
Wow!
Hindi ka pa siguro na yung ano? Huwag ka lang mag-tidal
Sige, istorya daw, Kesh.
Oy, dara, doon na to doon. Na-mention niya ang 7-Eleven.
Okay, sige.
Wow, we're heading na talaga.
7-Eleven. Karoon pa kung 7-Eleven sa Amerikana.
Oh, ha? Kita nyo yan? That's called 7-Eleven equals 23. Char.
Hi, dear. Dara. Sabi lagi siya.
Ay, 720 pataka lang kung ganda.
Oh my God, nice. Siguro ang play.
Where?
Nasa Hyatt Hotel, di ba? Comfort Inn.
Oh my gosh.
Excited na kasi Ate Eloise.
I am so much.
Kaya murag din na siya kahulat siya ang drive. Gusto lang niya ihulog kaya ito na siya mong break.
Di gusto ko magpa-picture na. Kaya magadulong na, oh.
Imagine ha, it's almost 6:45 and hayag pa kaayo.
Yeah.
Hayag
Yeah,
pa.
it's 6:43 to be exact.
Yep.